Hey, morning. Morning there. Good to see you. What's going on? What's up, sweetie? I'll get you another can now that I know you're here. Haven't seen you in like a week. Good to see you. Hi, folks. This is Rufus. Rufus. Hi, Rufus. What's going on, Rufus? Rufus. Hi, Rufus. Yeah, say hello to everyone, Rufus. Come on. No. Hi, Rufus. Yeah, I missed you meowing on the camera. I wanted to have people hear you. Yeah, you always talk to me when you come up. How you doing? You're looking pretty good. Just being quiet today. All right, I'm going to get another can. Hang on, I'm going to stop the film.